90s smudge liner, so gorgeous and actually super easy. We're gonna use some of my Stila faves. We're gonna grab a smudge stick and then we're gonna need a liquid liner. This is the Stay All Day Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner. Look at how easily that glides on. Relax that eye, find where it separates, and we're just gonna pull it out a little bit. We don't need a lot of precision for this. Wait, I have to show you this. Let's let that set. I'll show you the liquid liner too. Let them completely dry. While we're waiting, let's do our top and bottom waterline. Now we're gonna grab a brush and start to smudge it, but you wanna do this before it sets. Our liners are set here now. Look at this. We got our water. What? That ain't going nowhere. Stila really said stay all day. Taking the Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in Intense Black, and we're gonna keep this really, really close to the lash line. What makes this so easy is the smudge hides any mistakes we might make. Super precise. Go back in with our smudge stick under here. Smudge it before it sets. Bonus, no fallout. Finish off the look with the plumping lip glaze in the shade Honey. Easy to use, all day wear. What are you waiting for?